Check out the latest breakthrough in air defense technology. Raytheon, in collaboration with Kongsberg Defense Aerospace, has successfully completed flight testing of the cutting-edge AMRAAM-ER missile for NASAMS installations. This advanced missile is designed to intercept targets at significantly extended ranges and altitudes, pushing the boundaries of air defense capabilities. The new AMRAAM-ER boasts a host of innovative features, including the state-of-the-art AIM-120C-8 guidance section, a more dependable 10-inch rocket motor from Nammo, and the advanced 10-inch control actuator system known as the Propulsion Stack, developed by Kongsberg Defense Aerospace. During the rigorous testing phase, the missile showcased its enhanced capabilities through precisely executed flight paths, confirming its safe deployment from the NASAMS launcher and overall stellar performance. Paul Ferraro, president of Raytheon's Air and Space Defense Systems division, underlined the significance of integrating cutting-edge technology into the AMRAAM-ER, enhancing its effectiveness in countering evolving airborne threats. He also highlighted the flexibility of software updates, ensuring continuous improvement of AMRAAM missiles. Tailored to seamlessly integrate with the NASAMS launcher, the AMRAAM-ER elevates air defense capabilities by intercepting targets at unprecedented ranges and altitudes, surpassing the capabilities of standard AMRAAM versions. The NASAMS, Norwegian Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile System, medium-range anti-aircraft missile system stands as a testament to cutting-edge engineering, designed to engage air targets in diverse weather conditions at low and medium altitudes. Stay tuned for more updates on the future of air defense technology.